So how do you break down barriers that prevent people from participating in activism? How do we help people see that activism is for all of us, that politics is for all of us, that we all have to participate in democracy for it to be most reflective of our population?
Oh, okay. I was going to say, and I think the earlier panels touched on this, but, you know, really harnessing this notion that we are the majority. The majority of people in this country believe in the promise of democracy and want to be in a society that fulfills that promise. And many don't see themselves as political, as you said, but there are ways to harness that, right? Finding the commonalities, bringing these cultural pieces in where fighting for democracy becomes part of what you do in your everyday. And we have seen a lot of examples of that, a lot of tools that can be provided legally and in other ways. And I think that that's the piece that we still, as a movement, often don't completely harness the fact that this is a movement, but it's the vast majority of the people in this country want to be in a democracy that works for all people, where all people's rights are respected. And I think harnessing that and really being able to talk in spaces that aren't just in sort of the more traditional advocacy spaces is incredibly important.